Hello folks, welcome to English Talkies. In this slide, we would be learning about pronouncing the words starting with vowels. Everybody knows vowels are A, E, I, O, U. I want to tell you that when you get the words starting with vowels, generate the sounds from the vocal cord, that is throat. Okay, let's see some of the words now. Let's start with A. It's advertisement, ambiguity, acrobatics, awesome, amount, account, analysis. Next, we'll get into E. It's English, entertainment, emphasize, energy, envelope, efficient, exquisite. And the next letter I, the words are inevitable, impeccable, imperial, intermittent, internet, impossible, improvement, imitate. The next letter O, the words are owner, oblivion, obsolete, occupy, office, obvious, obedient. And the last letter in vowels, U. The words are utensil, useful, union, university, utterance, ultimate. And the last one, unequivocal. Alright guys, I would suggest you to repeat these practices frequently and try to get some new words starting with vowels and practice up yourself so that you can have a great changes in your pronunciation. Thank you very much guys. We will see you in the next upcoming videos. Thank you.